Again, this is a substitution kind of question. Now, in this exercise, there is no question that is with negative value. So maybe before I start on this question, I want to talk about this question. So let's say I have A minus B over 2 is equals to S. Or rather, let's put it the other way. S is equals to this. Okay? And you have A is equals to 2, B is equals to negative 4. This is very important because when you put in, this will be 2 minus 4 over 2. Okay, and that would be 6 over 2, because minus is going to be positive. Alright, so this is one reason why we put it into brackets. If let's say I have V is equals to A minus B squared over 2, and the square is going to be so tricky, but as long as you put it in bracket, you will not go wrong. Okay, sorry, A is 2 over 2. Okay, and what is negative 4 square? So sometimes I teach students at Sec 4, they are still unable to tell me what is negative 4 square. Okay, so it's important, I want to build this from when you are at Sec 1. Negative 4 square is negative 4 multiplied by negative 4. So this is going to be 16. Any negative number, when you square it, you will become positive, because the negative multiplied by this negative will give you positive. Okay, negative 3 square is equals to 9. Negative 7 square is equals to 49. And this only happens for even power. That means if I have negative 2 to the power of 4, this would be equals to 16. But if I have negative 2 to the power of 3, this will become negative 8. Why? Because it is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, this would be 4. 4 times negative 2 will become negative 8. Okay, so when you do even power, remember it will become positive. And this is what the question wants to see. Negative 4 squared becomes 16. It's very important that you do your algebra carefully and conscientiously, and don't just go through the motion. Make sure you are doing it the right way, okay, and make it as a habit. So for this question, number 5, again, I can just put in the values. T equals to 3, so 3. For single digits, you don't have to put in minus 1 and 1/3 over A. Okay, this will be very dangerous because the A is now a denominator. So if I don't want the A to be denominator, what do? I can bring the A over to him. Okay, and why is this so? Because I'm multiplying by A on the left side and multiplying by A on the right side. Okay, the A will go to him. So 3A is equals to 2.5 minus 1 and 1/3. Yes, and that will be easier to do. 2.5 is 5 over 2. 1 and 1/3 is 4 over 3. Okay, so let's make this a common denominator. 15 minus 8 over 6. So 3A is equals to 15 minus 8, I get 7 over 6. A is equals to 7 over 6 divided by 3. So that would be 7 over 8. Okay, know when to use your calculator, know when not to use your calculator. Generally, teachers want to see more working, okay, to make sure you know how do you get the thing from the top to the bottom. And this should be the right way you present.